Welcome back to Prince Medi podcast. Today our topic is very serious, that is coronavirus. Let's start with some history. So here we go. Coronavirus were first discovered in the 1930s when an acute respiratory infection of domesticated chickens was shown to be caused by infectious bronchitis virus, that is IBV. They are enveloped virus with a positive sense single-strand RNA genome and a nucleocapsid of helical symmetry. In December 2019, a pneumonia outbreak was reported in Wuhan, China. On 31st December of 2019, the outbreak was traced to a novel strain of coronavirus, which was given the interim name 2019 novel coronavirus by World Health Organization or WHO. Now let's talk about its symptom. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days when someone is infected with the virus for symptom to show. However, it can up to 14 days. People with mild symptom who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate. Seek medical attention if you have a fever, cough, and difficult breathing. Call ahead. Older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, and heart disease appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill with the virus. The massive cause for that is that the corona straight impacts the lung. This virus causes irritation within the small sac current within the lungs and causes them to jam, which make it tough to breathe first and destroy it fully if not handled. Till now, it was believed that corona impacts the lung, but scientists and documents or research doing analysis on the corona considered that the impact of corona shouldn't be restricted to the lungs. However, it may harm many different components of the physique. In Yale School of Medicine within the US says that greater than half of COVID-19 suffer within the US had blood and protein in their urine, which are the sign of kidney harm. An article by Wuhan scientists revealed within the medical journal Kidney International said that acute kidney damage was present in 9 out of 26 individuals who died of corona, whereas coronavirus particles have been present in 7 of those kidneys. In addition to lungs and kidneys, indicators of impact of corona on the center have additionally been discovered. Physicians in China and New York have talked about myocarditis in corona suffered. In China, about 40% of critical unwell folk had coronary heart rhythm, whereas 20% of suffered coronavirus patient had some type of coronary heart damage. Data from corona sufferers has revealed that corona can hurt your eye too. In a research on 38 corona sufferers in China, one-third of them have been discovered to be pinky crimson eye. According to scientists, the coronavirus might be seen within the eye. This is the explanation why face protect or glasses are given to guard well-being staff's eye. According to some reviews, corona has additionally been seen to affect the liver. It's all about the sign and symptom. So now we are going to explore how we can prevent from it. Let's talk about it. To prevent infection and to slow transmission of coronavirus, what we have to do is simply wash our hands regularly with soap and water, clean them with alcohol-based hand rub, that is sanitizer. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people who are coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when you are coughing. Stay home if you are feeling unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weakens the lung. Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large group of people. It's all about the prevention. So now I'm gonna tell you about the hydroxychloroquine that was prescribed by Government of India. Hydroxychloroquine is prescription medicine and its scale totally prohibited without a valid prescription by a doctor. It is harmful to consume it without prescription as it may adverse effect on your health. So here is my last line to end this podcast is together we will fight coronavirus. Thank you for listening my podcast. So see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy and healthy.